Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we'll make this very beautiful crochet made multicolored tea coaster. It is so simple to make and we have to make only 6 rounds to make this tea coaster. The colors of course we can take of our own choice. So let's start. We have taken wool of 4 ply and crochet is of 3 mm. We have to make a ring of 6 chains. So first we'll make is and then we'll make 6 chains. Now we'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. Now first round starts. First we make 2 chains which works for 1 double crochet. In this round we have to make 20 double crochets in the ring. So let's complete our first round with 20 double crochets in the ring. This round is so simple to make. Twenty double crochets we have made. Now we'll attach with the upper chain with the help of slip stitch. We'll also join next color. Now in the second round we'll also make 20 double crochets, but we'll separate 2 double crochets by 1 chain. So we'll make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. 20 chains we have in the round first. So we'll make 20 double crochets and 1 chain in between. And we'll pick up the upper chain only. This round is also so simple to make. So let's complete our round 2 first. We'll attach with the upper chain with the help of slip stitch. We'll also join the next thread. We'll also take the extra threads along. Third round is also so simple. We have 20 pockets in round 2. So we'll make 2 double crochets in each pocket and we'll make 1 chain. 2 double crochets in each pocket we'll make and we'll make 1 chain. Round 3 we've completed. We'll attach with the upper chain with the help of slip stitch and we'll join the next thread for round 4. This round is also so simple to make. Now we'll make 3 double crochets in each pocket. And we'll make 1 chain in between. This pattern is so simple to make and also it looks very beautiful. Round 4 we have also completed. Now we are ready for the round 5th. We'll attach the next color. Now the last 2 rounds are slightly tricky to make. We'll make 3 chains which work for 1 double crochet, 2 chains more, and we'll make 1 double crochet skipping the 2 chains. We'll make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain, again 2 chains, skip 2 chains or stitches, and we'll make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain. We'll make 1 double crochet in the 3rd stitch and we'll make 2 chains. 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Following this pattern, we'll complete our round 5. We'll attach. Now we'll complete our 6th round using the same color. Now we'll make 2 chains and 1 single crochet. We'll attach. Now we move. We have to make here 5 double crochets in the pocket. 3 chains which work for 1 double crochet. We'll take the extra thread along. We'll make 5 double crochets in the pocket. Now we turn. We'll again make 5 double crochets. Total 10 double crochets we'll make. Now we'll attach at the starting stitch with the help of slip stitch. One petal we have made. Now again 2 chains, 1 single crochet, we turn and again we'll make 5 double crochets in the small pocket we've recently created. 5 double crochets. Again move and we'll again make 5 double crochets. Following this pattern, we'll complete our 6th and final round. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.